welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a shell painting DIY, and I've been wanting to do this for a while since I've had a shell laying around my room and I was just like, it's kind of boring, so why don't I start painting it? So this is what the shell looks like, and it's kind of pretty but kind of ugly. So yeah, I'm going to be using this really pretty like tealy, light teal kind of minty color. It's like a really pretty color, so yeah, I'm going to be using that. I'm going to also be using some water because you obviously need water when you're painting with different colors. And I'm also going to be using a bunch of other colors, which you will see the color that I choose in a bit. And yeah, so let's just get started with the video. So we're just going to start by adding our paint on the first side. So basically what I'm going to do is on one side I'm going to do this color, and then on the other side I'm going to do another color, which you guys again will see in a second. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of each color. So yeah, I'll see you guys when the paint is all done. Alright guys, so the first side of the paint is all done, and as you can see I chose purple for the other side. So yeah, I'm just going to start painting this, and yeah, I'll see you guys when the actual painting is all done, and then after that we'll do some touch-ups. Alright guys, so right now I'm just going in with a few touch-ups since the purple paint kind of went a bit in the blue paint, but it is totally fine. We can obviously fix that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So we are now finally done with the touch-ups, and now I'm going to start going in with Mod Podge and I'm just doing this in case you guys don't know what it is. It basically kind of like seals it in and also gives it kind of a shiny like gloss over it, which I really like. So it took like a really long time to dry. I don't know why, but just keep that in mind if you are gonna put Mod Podge on something. Maybe it's just like the paint, or if like the Mod Podge is really old or something. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna be doing that on both sides, and I'll see you guys when the Mod Podge is all done. I keep on saying Mod Podge, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I'll see you guys when it is all done.
One eternity later.
So guys, that took an incredibly long time. Why can I not talk today? Anyways, that took a really long time to dry, but basically, now that it's dry, I'm going to be putting a little silver thing on it, silver like thing around it. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I sped this up a lot because it took a long time, but I'll see you guys when the little silver thing is all done, and then I'm gonna add some final touches to it, and then it will be done. So now that like the silver border is all done, I'm just going to add some fun little quotes on there. So on the blue side of it, or like light teal or whatever the color is, I'm just going to be writing dream with like a little heart frame all around it, I guess. I thought this was really cute. Comment down below if you like it, because I don't know, I feel like it can be mixed thoughts about it. But on the other side, I'm just gonna write be happy with a heart. So yeah, once that's done, I'll show you guys the final result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It would mean so much to me if you subscribe and like this video. I would really like for this channel to grow. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it is all done.